Everyone, welcome back to another tutorial, and this video I would like to share to you how to install printer model L1800. Okay, first of all we need to open Google. Yes, you type Google and type the word EPSON L1800 driver. Okay, so that you have many tabs. Yes, so that now I click this one tab. Yes, okay, you can click another tab to see about information detail. Now I select this one. Yes, it have a lot of function. It from the company. I select the operation system. That's that I prefer. Okay, now we should to wait. Okay, before I go to my computer, yes, it's the operation system 64. Okay, 64. Yes. Okay, so I need to download over the browser. The application driver is support my operation Windows 2. អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំត្រូវតែតម្លើងវាដើម្បីឲ្យវា support ដូចគ្នាអញ្ចឹង Windows របស់ខ្ញុំគឺ Windows 10 ហើយ 64 បាទ 64. Okay, so we can click another application, but right now I just want to download only driver. Yes, for printer only. So click the information. Yes, you read the information that is support to your printer. Now I already click. Yes, so you wait for a few minutes. អូខេឥឡូវយើងរងចាំតិចទៅនៅពេលដែលយើងបានចុចទៅហើយវាកំពុងតែដំណើរការនៃការ download ហើយ Okay, អញ្ចឹងបន្តអំពីហ្នឹងយើងរងចាំរហូតដល់ចប់ Okay. So now I open the file location. Okay, I extract we open in WinRAR. Yep. Too easy for me. Okay, move it. Okay, and also double click on it and select the file setup. Okay, find the file setup. Okay, double click on it. Okay, this is the model for the printer. Yes, so click. Okay, let's select the language. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we should to turn off our printer or unplug the the printer again and click it again. Okay, so then I should to take out. Yes, go to turn off the printer and then turn on printer again to make the printer is recognized. Or you can unplug the USB. Yes, USB cable from the printer. Okay, now I go to the printer. Yes, I will be click turn off. Yeah, okay, turn off the printer. Okay, and then turn on again. Okay, yeah, to make synchronize. Okay, now it's already synchronized. Okay, do you see? Okay, you see. Okay, now it's already synchronized. Okay, synchronized. Now click OK. Yes, to get your click OK to get your printer. Yeah. Now I want to check my printer. It already or not. Okay. Okay, this one my printer. Okay. So it has already. Alright. So now I will test it. Yes, I open another word to make sure it. Now I type anything. Yes, that one. okay, just skip on it. Okay, now I try to print, so it's the printer is ready. Okay, so we can print also. Okay, if we can click property, yeah, to see the head or cleaner, head cleaning or something tool there's that help in printer. So yes, so we can clean on it, right? So we can click on it, so it's work, right? Okay, now my video yes has been to the end, and thank you very much for your taking time for watching this video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and also click notification, yes, to make sure that when I post video in a later time you will be see. Okay, it will pop up on your screen, your mobile or your smartphone, your computer, anything else. Okay, okay, my name is Rorfin. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. អូខេអរគុណច្រើនមែនទែនសម្រាប់ការតាមដានទស្សនាមួយវីដេអូមួយនេះហើយខ្ញុំ Rorfin ខ្ញុំនឹងជួបអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានៅវីដេអូបន្តទៀតសូមអរគុណសូមជម្រាបលា